I close my eyes and I can see the world is waiting up for me that I call my own.
To the door, to where no one's been before, but it feels like home. I don't know what my future will be. It is all so dark.
I can see my future, and yours too. I will show you. Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head.
A million dreams are keeping me awake.
I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams are all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we gonna make. Charity, I've got an idea. Barnum's, the greatest show on earth.
What kind of show?
You'll see.
Ladies and gentlemen, cats and crooks, welcome to the Barnum's Show, presenting to you the wildest humans ever lived.
Wanna cut me down. I'm gonna send a flood, gonna drown them out. I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, here I come, and I'm marching on to the beat I drum. I'm not scared, you see, I'm with no practice.
It really works. We're going to make a lot of money from this.
We don't need millions. And when are you going to stay home?
I have to go. I'm sorry. I'll be back as soon as I can.
Some people won't sail to sea, 'cause they're safer on land. To follow what's written, but I'd follow you to the great unknown. Off to a world we call our own. And in my kingdom we promise to never let go. We're walking a tightrope high in the sky. We can see the whole world pass below. We're walking a tightrope. Never sure, never know how far we should go.
I'm sorry. I wanted to be more than what I was.
I never wanted anything more than the man I fell in love with. When you're careless about others, you will bring ruin on yourself.
Unpictured and begin to feel the politicians praise my head. But those are someone else's dreams, the pitfalls of the man I became. For years and years I've chased their tears, night start to fly. Where is running in his heart, like an anthem in my heart. From now on